From doubting myself in the first semester and thinking like I was not good enough to getting placed one of the best companies here in the campus, the journey was not easy and it was like a roller coaster ride. It changed everything. Hello everybody, my name is Monica Mona. I am here student at Fortune Institute of International Business with a specialization in marketing. I'm placed at Tata Capitals right now, management trainee position. I'm going to tell you about my placement story and what really worked for me. So I chose FIIB because first of all, I felt that it was a place that values quality more than quantity. From the rigorous admission process, it gave me a confidence that I would be surrounded with serious and growth-oriented peers. I didn't want just a degree, I wanted corporate connects, I wanted exposure, and all of these things FIIB has delivered it to me. So I think that's why I chose FIIB. So I think the journey was not at all smooth. Coming from a science background and here stepping into a completely different domain, it was not at all easy. Initially, I was very skeptical looking at my peers who were from BCom or BBA background. I thought that maybe I would not be able to do it. But gradually, I made a conscious decision to not give up and do my best. I continuously participated in class discussions. I participated in club activities. I took guidance from my mentors and constantly took feedback from teachers. And all of these things has helped me shape for my role that I am here today. And when I look back today at my journey, I feel like from doubting myself to here getting placed at Tata Capital in a finance roles position, I feel the journey has been really transformative for me. So before Tata Capitals, I have applied for a few companies and all the process that I have applied for has taught me something. Some has taught me how to approach aptitudes, some has taught me how to get better at group discussions. If I talk about Tata Capital round, so there were 3 rounds. First was profile shortlisting, second was psychometric round, and third was interview round. And all of these rounds basically focused not on the right or wrong answers. They wanted to know how do we think, how do we approach to different situations. The best part about this company was we were celebrated at the same day, unlike different companies, and being celebrated at the courtyard with badges and around so many people, like I still cannot put it into words, and that feeling was really surreal. 3 quick tips that I would give to all the juniors and all the people who are approaching to do an MBA. First would be that focus on your communication as much as you can, because I cannot emphasize enough how important your communication is. Second would be internship. Your internships are not just your certificates. Focus on your internship. They are the first step towards your placement journey. Third would be that be consistent even when you don't see results, because skills matter much more than marks, honestly speaking. From the very beginning till the end, all these platforms that you are given to, just leverage all these platforms, and it is very important to show up even when you feel that you are not perfectly ready. Just show up, do your part, and eventually everything will work on your favor.